Hi guys, today I'm going to talk about how to turn an assignment in, whether it be an artist statement, a worksheet, a photograph of your work. You'll find in Google Classroom that I've linked in a form, and the form will look like this. Turn your assignment in with this form. You're going to open up a Google Doc, and you are going to insert whether it be a copy of something I've given you or picture. So if let's say you're photographing your work, I want you to go up to the top and I want you to rename the document. I want you to rename the document with your last name and your hour. So let's say I'm in 2B. And then whatever the assignment was. So if I'm turning in a picture of something, I'll just do a name assignment, which might not even pertain to you. So just whatever I called the assignment. Then what you're going to do, if you're going to insert a photo, you're going to go to Insert, Image. At this point, you can open your camera and take a picture, or if you've already taken pictures, you can go up to Upload from Computer. Now, I have my stuff here on my laptop or my desktop, so I'm going to insert it this way. Okay, make sure it's nice and big, that it's exactly what you want me to grade. If you have to respond to something, of course, you can attach things down below. Or if you have to do your progress, you can do more than one photo. And then you're going to go to Share. Now, when you go to Share, you need to make sure that you go to Advanced right here. And when you go to Advanced, you want to change it to here, to anyone with the link. And that way I can access it. So you're going to then hit Save. Then you're going to hit Done. You're going to then copy this URL. So I'm copying it, Command C. Then I'm going to go over to turn in my assignment. With this form, I want you to answer all these questions. What hour and day do you have my class? And then you're going to paste that URL, Command V, into right here. So when you hit Submit, I'll be able to see that you did this for me. If I go back and I go to check it, I'll show you why I want you to do it this way. If I go to Responses and I go to my spreadsheet, I can then see who turned in what. And then down here, it's time-stamped, it's dated, and I have access to it. So then I can kind of grade things all in one location. So hopefully you understand why I'm making you turn things in with a Google form. If you have any questions, make sure you just send me an email. I hope that this video helped. So that is how you're doing it. Remember to rename your document, advanced share, anyone with the link, and that is how I expect to see you guys turn things in. So miss you guys. I hope that this helped, and I will be hearing from you soon.